Hello awesome viewers! Ever wondered why your dog acts like a total goofball sometimes? Today, we're diving into the wacky world of doggy mysteries. From tail chasing to head tilting, we're turning these bizarre behaviors into a fun and hilarious quizist for you. Let's get this party started. How many can you guess right? Why do dogs spin in circles before lying down? It's an instinctive behavior from their wild ancestors to create a comfortable, safe spot to rest. What does it mean when a dog chases its tail? Answer: it is due to boredom, attention seeking, or they find it fun. Why do dogs eat grass? Answer: they do it to induce vomiting, and for dietary reasons. What causes dogs to have the zoomies? Answer: it's a burst of energy often triggered by excitement or stress relief. Why do dogs tilt their heads when you talk to them? Answer: they do this to better hear and understand you, or to see your facial expressions more clearly. Why do dogs dig holes in the yard? Answer: it could be to cool off, hide food, or because they are bored and need stimulation. Why do dogs roll in smelly things? Answer: it's an instinct to mask their scent, possibly to hide from predators or to communicate with other dogs. Why do dogs kick their legs when you scratch their belly? Answer: it's a reflex action known as the scratch reflex, which is an involuntary response. Why do dogs howl? Answer: howling is a form of communication, often used to signal their presence or respond to sounds. What does it mean when a dog shows the whites of its eyes? Answer: this is often called whale eye and can indicate fear, anxiety, or discomfort. What does it mean when a dog licks its paws excessively? Answer: it can indicate allergies, anxiety, or an injury. That is it for today. How many of this did you get? Put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Thank you for watching.